Have you ever seen a marketing video of a well-known influencer, brand, or YouTuber that had a really bad green screen going on? You know, the green halo, the floating objects, the see-through clothes. You can't make this stuff up, man. Watch my short video for my 3 best green screen tips so you can make better marketing videos. Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthew, and I'm here creating videos to help business owners, brands, and entrepreneurs truly harness the power of video for themselves. Have you ever been in a situation where you really needed to be in more than one place at the same time? Behold, this and all the rest of your dreams and desires will come true if you hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the little bell so you can be notified every time we publish a new video. That's true. This video is fun because it involves a little bit of tech, a touch of planning, and a dash of common sense. Really though, anybody can shoot on a green screen these days. And I mean anybody. So many of us creators just buy a backdrop off of Amazon or a bucket of paint from Home Depot, and poof, you got a green screen, baby. I personally shoot on a green colored wall in my converted garage in my home studio. Yes, I will link to that exact paint color in the description. Definition alert. When I say pull a key, that's a tech term for removing the green color in the editing room. I'm gonna be using that a few times in this video. Okay, so let's jump into it. Green screen tip number 1, even lighting. A great trick is to light your green screen evenly first. 2 LED lights, one on each side, will typically do the trick, about 3 feet away from the wall. It's all you'll need if you're in a small studio. That's what we use. Now, there are all types of gizmos and gadgets that I could go into here, but if it looks like even lighting to the naked eye, you're 90% of the way there. And most marketing videos, that will be good enough. If you have a larger studio, you might need a few more lights, or if you're using a green screen kit like this one I found on Amazon, you might need to make sure there are no wrinkles in the cloth. Shadows can be super pesky to pull a key on in the editing room. Green screen tip number 2, solid color clothing. This pretty much goes for any time you're shooting a video. I prefer solid color clothes instead of multicolored or patterns for many reasons. I'm not gonna go into that here, but when shooting on a green screen, you wanna always make it as easy as possible for the editor to pull the key and remove all the color green as quickly and as easily as possible. This is gonna end up saving you time and money. Fun fact, what was the first Hollywood movie to use green screen effects? According to Google, The Thief of Baghdad in 1940. Now last, but definitely not least, green screen tip number 3. The subject must be 3 to 5 feet away from the screen. What I like to do is look at lighting the green screen separately, like a separate element. Make sure all the lighting is even on the green screen first. Once that is done, I then put the subject 3 to 5 feet in front of the green screen, like me, and I light him or her separately. Standard 3-point lighting would work fine here. Add a hair light if you want for a little extra separation. Also, you need to avoid casting shadows on the green screen from your subject, since shadows from the subject or even wrinkles in a cloth green screen can make it super difficult for your editor to pull that key. So in conclusion, number 1, light your green screen first and make sure it's even lighting. Number 2, lean towards wearing solid color clothes without small specks or dots or leaves of the greenish color that might be splashed into the clothing. Number 3, have the subject stand 3 to 5 feet in front of the green screen. I like to light my subject after I have evenly lit the green screen. If you follow these tips, your editor is gonna thank you, just like I'm thanking my editor, Carlos, right now.
Anytime, Matt.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And I'm also gonna thank you, the viewer, for smashing that like button and hitting subscribe so you don't miss any of our other videos. I'm Matthew with Madcapper Marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.